Oh my God.
Saan yung paper towel? Ah, naiwan sa cat?
Paper towel, kunin ko.
Kain tayo guys. Pansit. Meron kaming pansit. Of course, ang kanin. Kanin. Galing sa bahay. So, ganito lang ang ating ganap. Pumili lang kami sa Jake's Restaurant para alis agad. Hindi na magluto-luto pa sa bahay. Minudo, masarap. Mabango, Dad. Yeah. Mabango.
Hindi ba lata?
Hindi. Parang amoy fiesta. Minudo. Ayan.
Hello! Good!
I saw you over there. You didn't see me.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't see you.
You,
Just asking. Yeah, your
yeah.
wife.
Okay.
Hey, I have to pay for parking.
We didn't pay. I think it's around
It's
me.
free until May, I guess?
I think it's May,
Oh, really?
May 15, yeah.
Oh.
We didn't pay parking for now.
Mm,
You pay it?
No.
No.
That's why I asked.
Yeah, but, I'm not sure too, but it's a gamble. But
Uh-huh.
I think it's May 15.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
good.
you. Yeah. Nice weather today. Eh?
Yeah, I know.
Good.
Pansit.
Mas okay pag hindi masyado mainit eh.
Ay, hindi ako nagdala ng sandok ng kanin. Di ba?
Huwag na, yeah. Yung kutsara, isandok.
Yung dalawa nabusog na sa pizza. Hindi nakapaglaro sila agad. Mainit pa yung kanin. Bilis din lumamig.
Dami kong handa ah. Parang ngayon lang ako maraming handa.
Ayaw mo eh. Ayaw mo nang
Hindi man kasi kailangan.
mag-effort pa. Gusto ko minuto na, Dad.
Ah? Pampahaba ng buhay. Hindi ko na sila niyaya kasi hindi rin naman nakain ng pagkain natin yun eh.
Pansit, gusto nila ito mamaya, barbecue.
Hindi, yung balahi.
Si Gusto mo? Gusto mo yung
Yan, sarap.
minudo?
Mm.
Di may iba ka ng favorite.
Subukan nyo bumili sa Jake Restaurant. Malasa yung pagkain
Sarap.
nila. Yeah.
Masarap. Ganito ba? Gusto mo lang naman kumain?
Na.
Kung magluluto ka sa gabi, mag-marinate ka na. Marami hugasin.
Hindi, gagastos ka rin.
Yeah.
Pag murder ka na lang.
Kasi hindi mo, mag-marinate ka marami, hindi mo rin maubos. What?
But he wants to play on his own.
Where?
You can get another one. Play on your own too. You just practice do.
Yeah, serving.
Yeah. But you look so pretty today. Yeah, no kiss for that. Careful in there, right?
You wanna eat rice later?
Not yet.
Boy, you want rice? Boy, barbecue?
Later.
Masarap kumain pag yung gutom-gutom ka na. No?
Lalo na pag ako kasama mo kumain. Masarap.
Charot. Pumasok
Anong
ako
papasok?
kanina sa restaurant nila, ang bango. Yung ulam niya parang yung may handaan sa Pinas.
Ah. Natumbal pa ako.
Saan?
Hindi sa harap ko.
Dad? I just saw the tree branch fell off.
Yeah, I know.
Saan yun banda sa ilog?
Hindi, yung nandyan oh, yung naglalakad. Yan yung madadaanan na nila. Yan yung ano, nasa taas yung kanyang buong tree.
Buti wala nasaktan.
So, I don't-
Lilipad. May dala akong basurahan. Malamig pag nakaano ka. Nakapirme.
Habang tumatagal, na-enjoy na natin yung sarili natin na tayo na lang.
Yeah, laki na sila.
Kulang pa rin pag maiwan na sa bahay, ilang taon? 12?
12.
Guys! I need you in the side. There's lots of people walking in there.
I want to challenge Dad. Oh my God.
Dad is still eating.
I can play with you later.
You want to eat barbecue?
Come on. I'm gonna challenge you later.
Up, up, up.
Not do like that. We're gonna go home right away. Yung nahuna niya kasi malaki. Iniisip niya, inumat sa kanya yung ate niya kasi mabagal gumalaw eh. Wala ba daw magaling. Yeah, I need you to play with, eat with mommy. I play with your
Busog
brother.
na sa pizza.
Kakain yan.
You want to
Kakainin.
eat rice?
We have.
Barbecue, rice.
Is that soft?
No, not much. It's soft. We'll see. I will smash it
I think you're no match for me.
for you. Soy sauce.
Why are you so good?
It's the wind.
It's the wind?
Mom, wash.
No, you cast first. Stand up there. You cast first.
I know.
Okay, turn around. This tight? No. Okay.
Your arms feel better now? Di ba
Close it or just
tatawag
like that?
daw yung doktor sa atin?
Yung clinic?
Yeah.
Yeah, hindi pa eh.
Okay. I hope you're gonna feel better soon so that we can go swimming and biking again. Thank you for my presents. I always I'm gonna wear this one. Yeah. Wherever I go, I wear this one. Kaya lang baka mabilis na masira, ano?
Hindi naman.
Hindi maputol yung parang tangse.
Stretchy yan eh. Huwag mo lang. Yung stretch masyado ba?
I like the message. It's the best dad. I'm the best dad. Are you sure? I think I don't believe you. How can you say that I'm the best dad?
And here.
In my heart? Oh my goodness.
Even Mom.
Mom too? So you're lucky. Your mom and your dad have a good heart. You watch out your brother. Your brother is acting like a baby and not an 8 years old. Still a baby. Go.
I still have food in my mouth.
That's okay. You want pop?
Later.
Yeah.
Bring my jacket, boy.
I'm not cold.
Come on, extra layer.
Get this out of the shop.
Yeah, it's up to you. Oh, you want a new one? Saan yung ibang
Can
pop?
I put this to the side?
Meron nung
Can I
bagong
put this to
papa.
the side?
No, this mom.
Akin yun. Magbukas ka
You
na.
get the other one. There's a new
I
one.
get the
Paubos na lang
first
to.
sip. I asked first. Oh, there's two.
No, drop.
Wala yung may buot.
I want first sip. Okay? Here's yours.
Di ba yan mag-ano?
Please,
Natuwad
we don't
yan eh.
need two.
Di yan mag...
Careful, it's
Sasabog.
gonna...
You want to? We just share.
Yeah, I think sure just that one.
Yeah, I don't think we're both going to finish it.
Yeah, because you cannot finish that one.
Where jacket na ba?
Wait. I want to eat my baby.
When it rice?
Hold on.
Ha?
I just want to take a drink.
Come here, come here.
I have pizza.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come here, Daddy, open it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, but the problem is I'm getting older and older.
Oh,
What about it? I'm gonna be,
I'm going to adopt you.
you're gonna adopt Daddy?
I'm not listening. I refuse to face the reality.
I'm already 44 years old, and then what about it? I'm gonna 80 years old and I cannot move my...
I'm going to adopt you and put you in a wheelchair. Dia is insane, like.
Si Lito. si Lito nga
Who
yun.
is that? Dude,
My friend.
you're basically turning them into maids.
Sila nga yun dun sa stoplight.
Saan ba papunta? Nasundan bali natin?
Hindi. Di ba, gaganyan tayo sa Silvan Lake na. Dito sila. Ewan ko saan sa galing.
So you're gonna take your daddy when I get old?
Even mom.
Baby mom? Thank you. Don't put me in the, what do you call that one?
I refuse to face reality.
You refuse to face the reality? Yeah, but it's gonna happen one day.
It will come, but not too soon.
Yeah.
Still lots of years away. Barbecue.
Then why is Dad talking about this? We go to the playground after this.
Yeah, we'll pack up here and then we'll go there. Mommy, get ready your rice.
Yeah, you eat rice first before playground.
Huh?
Ito.
Okay.
Photo? It's up. Photo? Anong pagbili?
Blank, blank. Say, puto.
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 Ayos lang man. Puto! Puto ba? Puto.
Madali talaga yung puso nito mamano mo pag lukulukuhin. Malambot yung ano niya. Madali niya.
Blay, let's play. Bantay lang ako, Dada.
Yeah.
Yung bag ba? Bag. Duwa may bling-bling.
Okay.
Bye-bye! No!
The what?
Amen!
Can you show your hands to my blood?
Oh, it's windy, Bling.
What happened this one?
Yeah.
Didn't I did that yesterday?
No, it
Not
didn't record
windy.
it. Okay. What happened?
Yeah, the shuttlecock can keep up with
Is
the
it
wind.
recording right now?
Yeah.
Get to go there. Not too far away because, this broken.
Hi, my name is Shiri Delight. At school, at St. Patrick's School, I broke my wrist. Only a little bit.
Now it's windy.
I went
windy.
to the office and my teacher said it was like very shaky. It was swelling and it was like red.
No touching. What is it? Buot lang.
That's gross. Especially when we're at the restaurant, we just barf like that. Lots of people eating.
When you barf, you say,
Excuse me.
excuse me, not just barf and then laughing. Pumunta lang tayo dito para kumain.
Yeah. Nagbaon pa ng mainit na kanin. Tapos lumamig din agad. Masarap kasi makatanaw ng alam mo yung hindi lang nasa loob ng bahay.
Why you always doing disgusting stuff?
I feel it, Beb. I feel it. Bro, you literally did that on purpose.
Maganda tong regalo niya sa akin.
Yeah, maganda tingnan.
Business daw siya.
You're the best dad. You're the best dad ever. Oh, yeah. We have food there. Yung pack.
Kahit saan tayo pumunta, kilala tayo ng mga taga-Red Deer.